In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish a Smartsheet so you can easily share it with teammates, stakeholders, or anyone who needs view access without logging in. Publishing a Smartsheet is perfect for dashboards, reports, or sheets that need to be shared securely with a simple link. If you're working with Smartsheet regularly, this is a must-know feature. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Smartsheet page that you want to publish. This can be a sheet, a report, or a dashboard, depending on what you want to share. Make sure you are logged into the correct Smartsheet account and that you have owner or admin permissions, because publishing options won't appear if you don't have the right access. Once your Smartsheet page is open, look toward the top left area of the screen and click on File. This opens the File menu where Smartsheet keeps all of the sharing, export, and publishing options. From the File menu, click on Publish. This will open the Publishing Settings panel. If this is your first time publishing the sheet or dashboard, Smartsheet will ask you to turn publishing on. Go ahead and enable publishing to continue. Now, in the publishing options, you'll see different versions you can choose from. For dashboards, make sure you select the Advanced Dashboard version that allows you to use shortcuts. This option is important because it ensures that interactive elements, links, and shortcuts work correctly when someone views the published version. After selecting the Advanced Dashboard version, review the rest of the publishing settings carefully. You can control who can view the published content by choosing whether it's available to anyone with the link or restricted to specific people. You can also decide whether viewers can download the content or if it should be view only. Once you're happy with the settings, Smartsheet will generate a publish link for you. Copy this link and share it with your audience, your team, or embed it into a website or internal portal if needed. Anyone with access to that link will now be able to view the published Smartsheet without needing to log in. After publishing, it's a good idea to test the link yourself by opening it in an incognito or private browser window. This helps confirm that everything looks correct and that the permissions are set the way you expect. If you ever need to make changes, you can come back to File, click Publish again, and update or turn off publishing at any time. And that's it. You've successfully published a Smartsheet and shared it using a secure, easy-to-access link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Smartsheet tutorials and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.